Picture this. It's midnight, and your stomach growls like a bear in the wild. You're staring into your fridge, torn between grabbing that leftover pizza or making a healthier choice. One night, I faced this exact dilemma, and it hit me. There are snacks that satisfy your cravings and keep your health in check. Let's dive into the best midnight snacks that won't ruin your sleep or your goals. First, let's talk about why late night snacking feels so irresistible. When we're tired, our body craves quick energy, usually from sugar or fatty foods. But giving in to the wrong snack can leave you feeling sluggish the next day. So, what are the right snacks? Number 1, Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, and berries add natural sweetness plus antioxidants. Together, they're the perfect duo for keeping you satisfied without spiking your blood sugar. Number 2, a handful of almonds. Almonds are rich in magnesium, which can help relax your muscles and improve sleep. Think of them as nature's sleeping pills, but crunchy. Number 3, banana with peanut butter. This classic combo hits the sweet spot. Bananas provide potassium and magnesium to relax your body, and peanut butter keeps you full longer. Just remember, a little peanut butter goes a long way. Number 4, did you know plain air pop popcorn is a whole grain? It's light, satisfying, and won't weigh you down before bed. Just skip the butter. Fun fact, did you know that tart cherries are one of the only natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate sleep? A small glass of tart cherry juice or a handful of dried tart cherries can do wonders for your sleep quality. Before we continue, here's a quick laugh from my daughter. How do you stop an astronaut baby from crying? I guessed by giving it space. She said, "No, Daddy, you rock it." Give her a thumbs up for that one. Research shows that snacks high in protein or complex carbs are better for late night cravings because they digest slower, keeping your blood sugar stable. Avoid snacks with refined sugars or heavy fats. They may disrupt your sleep. Are you making midnight snacking mistakes that sabotage your health? Let's fix that. Snack smarter with foods like Greek yogurt and berries for protein and antioxidants, almonds for relaxation, or popcorn for a light whole grain option. Studies show these choices keep you satisfied and support better sleep. Bonus tip, tart cherries are natural melatonin boosters. Want more healthy snack hacks? Like this video and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Midnight cravings don't have to derail your goals. Try these snacks and let me know your favorites in the comments. Also, stay tuned. If you subscribe and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, we'll be giving away some amazing goodies soon. You won't want to miss it. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button for more content that's good for your health and your cravings. See you in the next video.